really cool thing with architectural shingles is the way they're installed and they're designed, you can actually create your own bonds as long as you stay within the 6-inch bond spacing. So I could actually take and cut this shingle back here, and it's not going to really mess with the way the roof looks or how it performs, as long as I keep my bonds, you know, where this shingle and this shingle, you know, come together. As long as I keep that spacing 6 inches or better, you know, we're in the clear. Since I don't really want to take out this whole shingle, I really want to kind of keep the repair within this area so it's not as noticeable. You know, you could take a hook blade and cut it, or since it's wintertime here, I'm going to take a pair of old tin snips that are pretty much worn out and can't cut paper anymore. I'll use them to just cut shingle and make my own bond. So try and keep your cut as straight as possible. It's a little difficult sometimes. And there you go, we've created a bond. It's more than 6 inches away, and then the next bond in the shingle is over here. So, you know, we got good spacing. So I'm gonna go ahead, and since this is so close, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and just take this whole shingle out. And then this one, I'm gonna create a bond right about here. More than 6 inches from that side, that bond, and that one way over there too. Grab our snips, and we'll go, let's say right about here.